So there's plenty of things I can be doing today. This is the governor. I think they call it a mushroom basically, but as the engine spins faster, these weights open up more and they allow this to come out, and that pushes against the rod then that will go forward and back depending on what's happening, if the tractor's pulling a load or coming to a hill. So the majority of the times these just need a bit of a clean, so I've been cleaning up the gasket face and blowing out a few bits and pieces where the threads go into the head and stuff like that. The previous owner used an awful lot of silicone gasket sealer on this, and there really is no need for it. It's after leaving residue all over the place. So just cleaning up the gasket surface there with me wire brush and drill. I covered up everything here around the chain when I was doing that, and a bit of sandpaper, so looking good. And I'm going to move on to the time and cover then when I finish with this. There's the pulley there after getting a bit of a wire brush with the drill and just a bit of a polish up with some fine grade emery paper. I might give it another go or two of that just to make sure that the seal is meeting a nice polished even surface. The rest of the cylinder block is after getting a bit of a cleaning up there, and I'm going to replace this temperature sender pipe bracket with this nice original that'll go on there, and that'll pinch that there and hold it. So I'm a sucker for these kind of lovely original brackets. In fact, I keep a little few to one side, all original brackets, just to be able to use them in this case. So that's that. I might move to the timing case now and start cleaning that up. So that was it, just a bit of 60 grit there, polish up, and just a bit of engine oil. Stick that back in, and it goes in behind those weights, which is, as you can imagine, a little bit awkward when you're holding a camera on one hand. So as the engine spins faster, these open up and allow this to come out. That's the idea. Yeah, so that's good. So actually what I'm going to do next is clean up this pulley, because that crank seal was leaking, and I want to polish up this seal surface here. You can see there's a bit of a track worn around it, so that's the next job.